If you're trying to figure out how to route form responses based on team availability, this tutorial will show you how to set it up quickly and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to ensure your form responses are directed to the right team members based on their schedules, saving you time and frustration. We've all been there, receiving form submissions and not knowing which team member to assign them to, or worse, assigning them to someone who's unavailable. But with a simple process, you can automate this routing based on team availability, ensuring that responses go directly to the person who can handle them in real time. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a technical expert to get this set up. The software we'll be using makes it super easy to automate and customize the routing process. Now, let's dive in. Start by setting up your form. You'll want to make sure that your form collects key information, like the team member you're routing the response to and any other relevant details. The key is to include a question about team availability. This could be as simple as a drop-down menu or a checkbox that indicates who's available to handle the request. Now, here's the fun part: automating the routing. Most form tools offer automation features, and that's what we'll be using. The first step is setting up conditions based on availability. For example, if someone selects Team A and that team member is unavailable, you can set a rule to automatically route the response to Team B instead. You'll need to integrate this with your team's calendar or availability tool. The software we'll be using allows for seamless integration, meaning you can pull real-time availability from tools like Google Calendar or Outlook. This integration ensures that when a form is submitted, it checks the availability of the designated team member and routes the response accordingly. Once your form is ready, go to the automation section of the software. Here, you'll set up conditions based on your team members' schedules. Let's say you want to route all urgent inquiries to a team member who is available right now. You can create a simple automation rule to check if that person is free, and if they're not, the request will automatically go to someone else who is available. Test your form to make sure everything works. Submit a couple of responses to check if they're routed correctly based on availability. It's a good idea to test with different scenarios. Some submissions should go to Team A, others to Team B, depending on who's available at the time. The key takeaway from today's video is that routing form responses based on team availability doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software and a little automation, you can set up a system that ensures the right team member handles each request. Automate your workflows, reduce delays, and improve your team's efficiency by routing responses based on availability. Quick recap: set up your form, integrate it with a calendar or availability tool, automate the routing based on availability, and test your setup to make sure everything runs smoothly. And don't forget, I recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used. Details in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.